Hello, this is Dusty Bertolot with Armored Exteriors, and today we're up on the roof to talk about sidewall flashing. In this particular case, step flashing. Now, what step flashing is it's flashing that goes underneath your shingles and underneath the siding anytime that you have a sloped roof running into the sidewall. And so what that is it'll come up underneath the siding 4 inches and it'll come out on the roof deck 4 inches. And you literally start down at the bottom and you put down your first piece of flashing, your shingle. Then you put down your next piece of flashing that would start up here, and then your next shingle, and you step in that up underneath of it. So that flashing piece is underneath, it should be underneath the sidewall here. Now underneath the shingle right here. Now the importance when you go and tear off the roofing system of why that flashing is there is to help prevent water from being able to penetrate into your home. What the code says is it needs to be installed in a manner that will prevent that. Now, oftentimes, especially oftentimes in a re-roof, especially in an insurance claim, that gets overlooked because most adjusters are not going to pay for that on the front end of your claim. So it's really important that when you pull the shingles off, that we assess the condition of that to make sure that it's in like new condition. What that means is that it's not cracked, it's not rusted, it's not bent. And it's going to prevent water from penetrating into the home. And so what we'll need to do is when we tear these shingles off, is get a good look at that. We'll have to be reflashing it, I'm sure, and making sure that the siding is actually up off the roof deck. Code requires it to be up 1 inch off the roof deck so that there's a way for that water to get away from your home. As you can see in this case right here, there's a lot of growth right along the edge, which means it's holding that moisture right there next to the house, which allows it then to be able to easier to migrate up and underneath your shingles and into the home. So as soon as we get this tore off, we'll take a good look at it and we'll determine then if we need to be replacing the sidewall flashings.